This is a video about how to play Frere Jacques on keyboard with both left and right hand. A couple things to notice are you have your left and right hand here, and your fingers are labeled for what finger plays what note. So like this is your right hand, or the best I can draw a right hand anyway, and number 1, which is your thumb, plays C. Number 2, D, finger number 3, E, 4, F, and 5, G. Then on your left hand, finger number 5 would play C, finger number 1 would play G. So those tell you which fingers to use. Today we're going to work on the right hand part, which is going to be this. The entire right hand part is this line plus this line. So the left hand part is this plus this. And eventually you'll play them both together. So together, together. But today we're going to work on the right hand. We need to set up our fingers how it looks here. So I need to get my thumb on the note C. I'm going to find the red C, so I'm going to have a green C, that middle C, thumb. Second finger on the note D. Third finger on the note E. Fourth on F. And my pinky fifth on G. So each one of my fingers has a key to play. Here, you start with the note C. I also have the number 1 written down to remind you that C should be played with your thumb, which is finger number 1. Same with this, the second note is D. I wrote down 2, because you should play that with finger number 2. E, wrote down 3, could you play with finger 3? I'm going to play these two measures. So this is a measure here, and this is a measure here. This makes up phrase 1 of Frere Jacques, these two measures. It sounds like this. Notice I got my hands in the right place, and my fingers are not switching keys. I'm not doing this. I have them set correctly, like the hand says. After phrase 1, we're going to start phrase 2. Phrase 2 has the notes E, F, and G. That's your reminder of what fingers to use. So finger 3 goes on E, 4 on F, 5 on G. So when I play this phrase, it goes. That's phrase 2. These two measures, this measure and this measure, make up phrase 2. If I'm playing phrase 1 and 2 continuously, it would sound like this. Then we get to phrase 3. Phrase 3 is the challenging phrase of this song. You use all of your fingers in this phrase and all of your notes. This is the only part where you will move your hand a little bit. So for this G-A-G part, usually I put my pinky on the note G, like it says here. But I need my pinky to play the note A. So how I'm going to put this is I got finger 4 on G, finger 5 on A. Going over here, finger 4 on G, 5 on A. Finger 3 goes on F, and finger 2 goes on E. So in phrase 3 here, your fingers do move. Your thumb is still on C, but the rest move. So to play phrase 3, which is this and this, I have to start with my pinky on A, and then the rest lined up like that. Phrase 3 is thumb, phrase 4 has only 2 notes, C, G, and C. These we're going to go back to the normal fingers for. So I got my thumb on C, my pinky on G. So phrase 4 is only a few notes. This measure and this measure make up phrase 4. If I were going to play phrase 3 and 4, it would sound like this. For phrase 3, I got to change where I put my fingers. So the whole right hand of Frere Jacques would sound like this. This is starting at phrase 1 and going through the whole song.